Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, I know y'all can see I am very thakawa because we took a 7:45 morning flight and we have come to Ahmedabad and we're staying at the Hyatt Regency Ahmedabad, which is a riverfront property. बट दैट्स जस्ट नेम सेक आई मीन नॉट रियली नेम सेक बट आपको थोड़ा सा रिवर दिखता है बट उसके सामने बहुत सारी बिल्डिंग्स दिखती है जो कि इतना ग्रेट व्यू नहीं है. सो या वाई वॉज दिस ट्रिप मेड और प्लान्ड? दिस वॉज नॉट अ प्लान ट्रिप एट ऑल. इन फैक्ट आई एम almost 8 months pregnant and so obviously it was not really the best ideas to travel in COVID situation and this situation, but I desperately wanted to get out of the house and that's the reason why as soon as I came to know कि सचिन का वर्क ट्रिप होने वाला है, एक दिन का वर्क ट्रिप था, मैंने उसमें टैग अलॉन्ग कर दिया एंड वी मेड इट लाइक अ 2-day ट्रिप. सो टुडे आज का दिन तो वी आर जस्ट वर्किंग. ही इज़ ऑल्सो वर्किंग, ही इज़ नॉट इवन हियर, ही इज़ गॉन फॉर हिज मीटिंग्स and I'm going to be taking my classes. So basically full on working, more than a vacation, it is a workation. And yeah, so I just finished one class, ate a lot of food. We had puri bhaji. I had puri bhaji. Yeah, we can say we had puri bhaji also since it's me and you too. And so puri bhaji khaya, which I will put in the vlog. And I'm not doing an extensive hotel tour because I don't want to walk so much. I'm already very tired, but I'll definitely do a room tour, so enjoy. And I will also cover all the things that we did, how we went, spend time, and that's about it. It's just one day staycation, one day vacation trip, so there is not much in it, but enjoy the vlog. Enter. To the right side we have the washroom, which looks like this. I hope you guys can see it. This is the bathing area. Quite fancy, quite well maintained. Obviously it's Hyatt, so what do you expect? And the other side, which is the WC, this is the basin, this is me, and this is Q2. All right, and then we have right opposite that the wardrobe. Okay, so the main wardrobe has the tijori and the next one has like just stuff. We also have our essentials here. So we have the tea maker, we have the cups, we have the essentials, and then the mini bar, which is like this. And I kind of like this, you know. वो दूसरे फ्रिज टाइप खोलने से बेटर है ये वाला. So I like this. We have our complimentary bottles. And we have the luggage space. And this is how the room looks like. Very well maintained, neat bedding, awesome lightings, great height. And this curtain, which is an automatic curtain, which will only rise when you press the button. So let me take you along. We're gonna open the curtains. There's this small little button here for opening the curtains. And oops. All right, can you see that? That pamphlet is basically the spa pamphlet. And as the curtain is opening, you can see like this view, the gradual view. So let me show it to you all. Basically on the right side you can see the property. Down you can see the pool and the deck area. And right in front of you are these buildings and that is the river. Yeah, that is the river. That's it. And you can see that along till those factories. And on the left side, this is my workplace. So I've just like made a small little workplace here. So I was just taking my classes here, and I had food there, puri bhaji, and the amount of bottles that I've kept here because too much. And yeah, that's about it.
The puri bhaji I ordered was super delicious, and one plate is more than enough for two.
This is the view from our room, and like good children, we slept off quite early. So we got up early and Sachin is just enjoying on his phone. And now we're heading for our breakfast. See you there.
So after a lazy breakfast, let me show you the lobby. It's small but organized. Sanitization is well considered. Towards the left, it leads you to the banquet hall, and the right leads you to the chai shops and restaurants. The chai and coffee shops are located well to entertain the floating crowd and are quite eye-catching with respect to their displays. Pinello is the main restaurant for breakfast buffets and dinners. We then headed out for lunch at a local restaurant nearby and had hot sizzlers and some appetizers. The pool and gym are operational and surrounded by greenery. The next day, we ended our trip with a soulful lunch on order basis at Pinello, and that's about it.
So guys, this trip is coming to an end, and with the trip coming to an end, we haven't done anything. We have not gone out anywhere. We just went out for one lunch and a little swim in the hotel itself, and we slept a lot, we ate a lot, and we watched some Netflix on our laptop, and that's it. A very nice, decent, calm, relaxing vacation coming to an end. Haven't vlogged much. That's the reason why you'll just get the room tour and some clips here and there of the property. But apart from that, yep. So if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time you get one. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye-bye.